Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. So today we are going to see the introduction to C language. C language is a general purpose and high level programming language that was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Laboratories. See, Dennis Ritchie is a person. This person is introduced C language in 1972 at Bell Laboratories. He was working as a research fellow. At that time, C is just at that time he is just developed a C language. So he developed C language. So Dennis Ritchie is called as a father of the C. C language is basically derived from ALGOL. From the ALGOL, first BCPL is the language is developed. So BCPL is derived from ALGOL. So from BCPL, after that, B language is developed by Ken Thompson. So B language is introduced by Ken Thompson in the year 1970, and from B language, finally in the year 1972, C language was introduced by Dennis Ritchie. So the basic initially first language is ALGOL. From ALGOL, BCPL is derived. From BCPL, B is derived. From B language, C language is derived. So C is a general purpose high level programming language. C is a structured programming language or procedure oriented programming language. C is the most widely used programming language all over the world now. So in the world, C is the most widely used programming language because of its characteristics. C language provides all the basic knowledge to all the programming languages. So whatever the programming language you want to learn, if you have knowledge about C, if you have a knowledge of C, then all the programming languages are very easy to understand, very easy to learn. If you know C, all the programming languages you will learn easily and quickly. C programs have the extension .c. So whatever the program we are writing, we are developing in C language. At the file saving, while we are saving our file, we have to provide a file name. So suppose here I want to save as hello as my file name. So I have to save it as hello.c. If you want to save your file as my program, then you have to write myprogram.c. Next thing is C is a compiler based programming language. Here compiler is the translator, and C uses the compiler to convert the code into machine code, to convert the program into machine code, and after execution the output will be converted from machine code to user understandable code. Turbo C is the software that is used to write C programs. So first we have to install Turbo C software in our system to write C programs, to develop C programs. C is a case sensitive programming language. So what is mean by case sensitive here? See, cases are two types, uppercase and lowercase. While you are typing, while you are developing programs, in which case you are declaring, in that case only you have to use that variables, you have to use that keywords. So case sensitive in the sense, uppercase words are different from lowercase words. So uppercase words are different and lowercase words are different. That is the quality of case sensitive. So this is the introduction to C language now. I hope you understand well, and subscribe my channel and encourage me.